Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about uninstalling graphics card drivers from your computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down in your system taskbar and open it up. You want to search for Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the display adapter section, so double click on it, and then right click whatever display adapter is listed under here and select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall. And now you will need to go ahead and restart your computer, and then once your computer restarts, it should automatically locate the driver. And if not, you can always go back onto the manufacturer's website as well and then download it from them. A lot of them have automated tools to go actually locate drivers applicable for your hardware. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.